Hello, hello, hello from beautiful Innsbruck. Not so beautiful today, but yeah, okay. I invested in a very expensive lens, a Tamron lens, and it's because we're going to Iceland in a couple of weeks and we'll be going whale watching. And before going whale watching and taking my brand new lens that I don't know how to use, we thought we'll just practice here in Innsbruck, like in parks and in the zoo. I know that it's a wildlife photography and zoos are not wildlife, kind of like in the original meaning, but still it's good to practice. I think just like variety of animals that move differently. The Alpenzoo can be reached on foot, by bus or by funicular. We opted for the last option because we have an annual ticket. Unlike most zoos, Alpenzoo exclusively features animals native to the alpine region, including lynxes, brown bears, wolves, ibexes, marmots, and golden eagles. Another thing you should know about Alpenzoo is that it mimics the animal's natural environment with rocky cliffs, forested areas and mountain streams. This also means you'll have to go up and down a bit, so be ready for a bit of physical activity. The zoo is home to over 150 species and around 2,000 animals, many of which are difficult to see in the wild. These are mainly vertebrates, approximately 20 of the 80 mammal species, 60 of approximately 200 alpine bird species, 11 of the 15 alpine reptile species, 6 of the 21 alpine amphibian species, and almost all fish species in the Alps. The birds are really fascinating and some of them were super difficult to film because they move too fast, especially the woodpecker. My personal favorite was the Lynx, and we were finally able to see them close enough with the help of the lens. At the beginning of the 20th century, the lynx was completely extinct in the alpine region. Following reintroduction efforts in Switzerland, Slovenia and Austria from 1970 onwards, around 130 lynxes now live in the Alps again. By the way, among all the birds you can see is bearded vulture, one of the largest birds in Europe with a wingspan up to almost 3 meters. By the way, since the zoo is built on a hillside, you can enjoy stunning panoramic views of Innsbruck and airplanes. Otters are another love of mine. They are excellent divers. They can hold their breath for up to 8 minutes and dive to a depth of 18 meters. A good idea is to combine a trip to the zoo with a scenic hike or take the Hungerburgbahn funicular. We went even further up and had a meal at the restaurant with an amazing view. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe and give me a thumbs up.